Hi, sewing friends. Day 47 of 365 days of sewing makes. We've made it to day 47. I'm Alice Murray, and this is Murr-Made Designs. And I so appreciate you coming along on this journey with me. Liking, subscribing, sharing this video, I appreciate all of that. And I just appreciate you being here. Thanks so much. Today, I want to show you something you probably remember. This is McCall's 7122. And this is the pattern that you saw on day one. It is a raglan sleeve. You can make a tunic, a dress. There's also a legging pattern in here. Short sleeves, long sleeves, 3/4 length sleeves. Show you the line drawings on the back. Very simple, very flattering fit. And so I made it again. This is this version. Made it a tunic. Animal prints are in this year. I love the blue. It's not just, not just the animal print. It kind of has a variegated color. From brown to blue. So this was a border print, I guess you call it. It had this kind of variegated print on it, and then kind of black at the edge of the material. You can see the raglan sleeves. Has a self-made binding, or neckband, I guess you call it. And I was able to position the pattern so the print, this is not sewn, this is just the print on the sleeves. And I made this a bit ago, and it was my favorite for a long time. Has the slits in the side. I think makes it kind of sassy. I think tunics, I think they're very flattering. That's code for us curvy girls can wear them. And I'm just kind of grateful for this top because it was very easy. Yesterday, I was making something not easy, and I had a heck of a time. Such a time. I had to put it down because it was not working out. So I am very grateful that sometimes things work out really easy. Keeps me in the game here. This is made from a knit, and it's not too flimsy of a knit, so it's sewed together nicely. I like that when they don't wrestle with me. They don't jam in my machine. So this one was easy all the way around. Knits also fit easy. And I was quite happy with how I got the pattern to kind of match up with the pieces. So it really makes it look quite a bit more like a ready-to-wear top. When you have a pattern like this, or when you have material with a print like this that is kind of variegated all over the place. Give you one more twirl. And yes, I'm very grateful for the ones that sew easily. That is nice. So I hope that you are sewing, and I hope that what you're sewing is not fighting with you. I hope that it is fun, because usually sewing is so much fun. Till next time.